outside now. Now I'm recording outside. This probably feels so nice to the animals right now. It was just pouring like a couple of minutes ago when it was brighter out, so I would say about like maybe 20 minutes ago. When I turned the camera back on, there was like a really big one. It was actually super cool. I wanted to do it again, so yeah. There's a lot of them like way over there. I'm gonna try to focus in front, just in case. I bet you tomorrow it's gonna be all muggy. Disgusting. I want it to start pouring again. Billy, come on. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, don't lick me. Roxy. For it to be all rainy and whoa. For it to be all rainy and, well, it kind of stopped raining already, but like, for it to be all like stormy out, it really is kind of hot. I wish there was some wind. But did you guys see how big that lightning was? I think I should go inside. But I really like the sound of thunder though.